Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to cancel BetterMe Pilot subscription. Okay, so basically you can cancel your subscription by using three ways where you have originally purchased. Okay, so first method for their official website on their official app. Okay, so first of all you need to log in into your app, and once you logged in into your app in your BetterMe app, you need to go to on your profile section, and once you're on your profile section you will see there is option manage subscription, and you need to select manage subscription, and then you will see your subscription details, and you can cancel your subscription very easily. At very bottom side there is a button cancel, and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription on Android or by using your Android device, so you need to open your Play Store and you need to tap on your profile icon, and you need to tap payments and subscription. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your BetterMe app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription on iPhone, so you need to open your iPhone settings and you need to tap on your Apple ID and you need to select subscription. Now you need to select BetterMe app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription of BetterMe. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.